Your mantra is the metabolic fire that untangles your karmic knot. Your intention is its fuel. The practice of chanting Sanskrit mantra is a call and response with the sacred, from its expression inside of you to its expression outside of you and back again, through its expression as the mantra. A cosmic tuning in a dance of breath and sound. In its simplest terms, you are a specific and unique pattern of vibrating energy. You have a sound. Your karma is a pattern of interference in that energy. It distorts your sound. When you chant a Sanskrit mantra, you use breath and sound and the rhythmic alternating repetition of breath and sound to untangle that pattern of interference at its root. Your mantra itself will catalyze change. When you chant, the sound of your mantra has an immediate and direct effect on you. Because it is phonetic, prosodic, and vibrational, it bypasses the language processing and meaning-making part of your brain. And it communicates directly with your amygdala, your autonomic nervous system, your tissue, your bones, organs, and hormones at a cellular level. It regulates your nervous system. It synchronizes your heart rate, your brain, and your breath. It stimulates your vagus nerve. It metabolizes your emotions. And it creates the physiological conditions that allow you to break habitual and addictive patterns. It does this in part by desynchronizing the wave state of your posterior cingulate cortex from the rest of your brain. It does all of that on its own, even if you have no conscious awareness of it. You receive sound, you understand sound innately with your entire body and being. You don't need to understand it, analyze it, or make meaning out of it for it to work. But your intention is the fuel for this metabolic fire. Your intention shapes how you direct the energy of your mantra and the energy of your mind by giving it focus. It brings you into the present moment, and it marries the unconscious operation of your mantra with the conscious aims of your heart and your mind. Your intention makes you an active participant in the untangling of your karma, which is essential because karma is a spiritual law of action. There is no karma without action, and there is no untangling karma without action. And your intention has the power to direct the energy of your mantra and call upon the forces of both your psyche and the universe in a way that will either perpetuate your karma or untangle it. We will be crafting intentions that will untangle your karmic knot in a 3-part workshop series called Intention, Sacred Practice, and Strategic Precision. I'm gathering a seasoned group of 8 women business owners for this arc of skill development to master your use of sacred practice to strategically evolve your body of work. You can learn more at ompreneur.com/product/intention-workshop-series, the link for which is in the show notes. What I've shared in this episode is supported by a number of sources, including scientific studies, which you can also find at the link in the show notes.